A family emergency sucked up 5 production days, unleashing a stress hell ride upon this spirited man. And that spirited man right there, Mr. Slace, suggested they make an episode about playing catch.
Give me a slate, Slace.
Mr. Slace is the normally invisible Lucky Rabbit's foot behind these episodes. He introduced playing catch on set when they were doing an ambitious shoot out there in Joshua Tree. And this idea, Mr. Slace's idea about making a movie about catch, well, it was a handy idea. Handy for 2 reasons. First, this spirited man had recently acquired, through legal means, some unfamiliar cameras and lenses he wanted to try out and maybe learn how to use. This behemoth weighs about 5 pounds. It's the only professional camera in this spirited man's quiver. The wide lens gave the appearance that they were standing far apart. The goal was to fire the ball right into the lens. The drone. Imagine what this shot would have cost before the invention of the drone. The drone was a gift. GoPro? Maybe the best thing to happen to homemade filmmaking since the iMac DV back in 2000. They tried to simulate the ball's path through the air with the GoPro, but it didn't really work. Too much spin. There was something giddy about throwing a camera across a field, though. iPhone 12 Pro had Gray, who does our music, shoot the footwork. There he is. There's Gray. This camera, this Insta360, is a sort of miracle gadget with 2 hemispherical lenses that shoot the entire universe all at once. By horsing around with the Insta360 and some free software, this spirited man was indeed able to simulate the baseball's flight, the shot they failed to get with the GoPro. The second thing that made this idea, Mr. Slace's idea for a movie about playing catch, the second thing that made this idea a handy idea is that playing catch is fun, even in your mid-40s. Playing catch for an hour or so relieved the stress of the vanished 5 production days. So simple, so beautiful. The snap, the achievable fraternal goals of the perfect throw and the perfect catch. Dodgers even won the World Series last year. Mookie Betts! Thank you, Mr. Slace. It worked. Onward.